So here are my two projects. This one is actually, I just made the DRO and it serves now as an absolute encoder, which is ESP32S2 here, that's connected to micron rails, and then it basically is always on, and it has like absolute encoder. And here I made the whole interface for linuxCNC, where I can actually control machine from here, and I get the readout. I get here absolute values, and here I get the work offset, which I can actually change. If I go to G55, it changes here, and then I can work in that offset, for example, and I can run the program and send MDI commands. So that's pretty much what I actually found of those functions there, and I'm able here to select, and this is actually made in part that I actually wanted to make this app to actually be able, because I'm using a joystick to control the lathe, and when I come close to the values I can measure on the micrometer and correct. Very simple here in small increments, so I don't need to turn around and use the mouse.